Hello people, this is Rohini and I welcome you all to my channel, that is You Be Limitless. First of all, before I start the video, I would like to thank you all from the very bottom of my heart. Thanks for your support, thanks for your love, thanks for your acknowledgement through your likes and comments. Thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about something very important, and it is how we feel, that how busy we are, and why we feel so, why we don't have time for lot many things that we can do and we should do. Being a human being, the highest creature of the God, we cannot say that we are so limited, we can only do this much so that we can live our life, we can earn our bread, and we can be financially independent. This is not enough, trust me, this is not enough. Having said that, do you think that I am being very demanding and I am expecting a big thing from you? No, I'm not. I'm not saying that you go and donate lakhs and crores to somebody which you don't have. I'm not asking you to do anything which you cannot. I'm just asking you, first, keep the control, take the control of your own life. Let not your life control you. Let not a small tiny situation of your life control your time, and it takes a lot of time that you cannot think of anything else, right? I just expect you to go and do what you can do. If you are educated, go and teach a poor. If you are if you have money, go help people with money. If you are a good advisor, go advise a person. If you are at peace, if you are positive, go and help a person who is not so happy. You can do lot many things and you can make a difference in the society. That is very important, and for that we need to come out of our own life, get some time for it. At least this little time is important to. Having said that, I want you to think of all the habits that you have. That you are habits means something that you are practicing since long. Think of that, be it good or bad. Some of us are very good at our financial management. Some of us are very good at our uh, health management. Some of us are very good at our cooking, the kitchen management, or the kids management. Why, how is it possible? How are you good at something and why you are not good at something? We need to think of it, and you will come with the solution that it is all because of the habit. No, we have created a habit. If we are good at kitchen, that means we have created some of the habits that we know how quickly we can do something about it, and we can come out of it, and you can save a lot of your time. This idea I have learned from a beautiful book that is called The Atomic Habit by James Clear. And so beautifully he has explained that how just learning and creating a proper habit to solve our day-to-day life problems, we can be free from it, and we can save a lot of our time. Like I'll tell you, whenever you are in a situation where you don't know what to do, your brain starts to work, starts to find the solution. It tries a lot of things, this, that, and finally it gets that, okay, this is the solution, and this problem gets solved with this solution. So initially it takes time. It takes a lot of time, and slowly and gradually involves with your habit. Okay, and then it stops taking time. You get this situation, you just quickly, your brain will say, okay, this is the solution, and you just go for it. So now it's your turn. You think, what is that one thing or two things that is troubling you, that is taking a lot of time, that you have to do on a regular basis, still you are struggling with it, and start taking baby steps for it. Start taking a few changes, start making it creating a proper habit about it, and you will see that actually it will work. You can take any example. Suppose you think that you want your child in a certain way, and but it is not happening. You just ask yourself, what are the steps that you have taken, and don't get, don't stop yourself. You have to do it for a little longer period of time. You need to build that habit, you need to build that. Up till then you have to wait, you have to be patient, and then you will see actually it will work. You can take any kind of problems that you are facing in your life and go for it. Start taking that one step, the baby step. Move forward, take some time, wait patiently, and you will see the result for. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, please do not forget to press the like button. Post your comments and suggestion in the comment box. I'll be sharing all the details that I talked about in the description box. We'll meet in the next video with the hope that this will help you in some or the other way. Till then, lots of love from me to you, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.